Integrated Korean, Beginning 1, Syllable Blocks, Part 2. A Korean final consonant is called
받침,
Remember, when a syllable has one or two final consonants, they follow one of the following three models. As final consonants, the following two-letter combinations are available, in addition to single consonant letters. In writing, the shape and size of the letters in syllable blocks should be balanced to fill the space. Let's write the Korean syllable blocks that correspond to the following words. You can repeat each word after me and practice writing the syllable blocks on your own. Remember that there are different Korean fonts, so you may notice slight differences in how some strokes are positioned. 학생, 학생, 한국어, 한국어, 꽃, 꽃, 하와이, 하와이, 도서관, 도서관, 닭, 닭, 떡볶이, 떡볶이. Listen to the audio and choose the word you hear. 부부, 부부, 부부. 김치, 김치, 김치.